In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening links automatically on Windows so you can regain control over your preferred browsing experience and put an end to those pesky Edge link hijacks. To start this process, the first thing you'll want to do is open your Windows settings. A quick way to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut. Simply press the Windows key and the letter I. This will bring up the settings menu almost instantly and is quite handy if you're looking to save some time. Once you have the settings window open, navigate to the section labelled Apps. Here's where you get to personalize and manage the default applications on your system. Click on the Default Apps option located on the left hand side of your screen. By doing this, you'll be directed to a page where you can modify the default programs for various types of files and links. Now, this next step is crucial for ensuring that you have the right application. Open the links you click on. On the default apps page, seek out the option which says choose default apps by protocol. Clicking on this link will provide a list of various protocols, each associated with a different application on your computer. At this stage, what you are looking for are the protocols named HTTP and HTTPS, as these govern how your computer handles web links. Typically, these might have Microsoft Edge as the default application, which is why it keeps opening when you click on web links. To stop this, you'll need to change the default browser. Click on the Microsoft Edge listing next to these protocols and select your preferred web browser from the list that appears. Whether you are a fan of Chrome, Firefox or any other browser, make sure to set it as the default for both HTTP and HTTPS protocols. Taking this step will ensure that from now on, when you click on links, they will open in your chosen browser and not Microsoft Edge, keeping you in control of your web browsing experience. Before wrapping up, it's good to double check your selections just to make sure everything is set up the way you prefer. Once you're satisfied with your choices, you can close the settings window and you're all set. Links should now open in your preferred browser without any unwanted redirection to Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to keep getting tips and tricks to enhance your computing experience.